Hi there, and welcome to another episode of It's Always Fun Shopping at Wig Studio One. My name is Andrea, and today I'm going to share with you how to book a virtual consultation online with one of our personal hair consultants. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, you'll simply scroll up to the top and click on Book a Consultation. This will take you to our consultation page where you have the opportunity to book a 30-minute personal hair consultation or a 15-minute try-on session. For this exercise, I'm going to select Book a 30-minute personal hair consultation. It will take me to a calendar where I can select a date and time and then click Next. I'm going to enter my name and email here, and then the next step is to choose location. In this exercise, I'd like to choose Microsoft Teams. Not everyone is computer savvy, so if you prefer a phone call or maybe don't have access to a computer, you just want to select either or here. For this exercise, I will select Microsoft Teams. It does ask for your phone number, so you definitely want to add your phone number just in case. Maybe there might be an appointment cancellation and we can squeeze you in a little bit sooner. Maybe there's a problem with your consultation appointment or we have to reschedule for some reason. So it's always good to have a phone number so that we can contact you if needed. That is a required field. Next, it's going to ask you whether you're interested in wigs or toppers or other. For this exercise, I'm going to go ahead and click I'm interested in wigs. If you're new to wearing hair and you're not sure where to start, there is a link here for how to measure your head for a wig, and it is on our YouTube channel. Unfortunately, this link is not clickable, but if you go ahead and copy and paste it into a new browser, it will take you to our YouTube channel where Wiggin' with Christy has a video there on how to measure your head for a wig. Thank you, Christy. Next, let's say you're interested in a topper. You can go ahead and also copy and paste this link. It will take you to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel where, again, Wiggin' with Christy is providing some educational information on how to measure your head for a topper. So, since I have listed that I'm interested in wigs, I'm just going to go ahead and put that I have a 22-inch circumference. And I won't put anything for toppers because I'm more interested in wigs. My hair loss is more advanced, so that's probably not going to be an option for me. We will ask about your hair loss journey so that we can tailor your personal hair consultation to your needs as best we can. In this section, I'm going to say that I'm a seasoned hair wearer. It will ask for color preferences. Again, this asterisk means that it is a required field. This will help us narrow down options for you and make the most of the time that you spend with our personal hair consultants. I like rooted colors, so I'm going to go ahead and select rooted colors. All of these fields appear to be required, so you definitely want to make sure that you're checking. Please check all that apply. So let's say I'm interested in human hair this time. I really like wavy, but I want to stay with medium length. I can select all of those, and my personal hair consultant is going to tailor our time together, focusing on these needs and what you have communicated that you'd like. Let's say I'm new to wig wearing and I have no idea what a basic cap is. That's okay. You can just simply select other and say, I'm sorry, I don't know what that is. And our personal hair consultants will be happy to help you in the consultation to provide that information and provide videos and education to help give you more confidence about your wig wearing journey. Finally, it's going to ask if you would like to include any additional information to share with us to help us assist you. If you don't have anything that you'd like to add, you can simply type NA. However, an example of something that you might add, like let's say in June, you have a wedding to go to. So there's a little bit of urgency in terms of time. You might want to notate that there, and that way we will know if we have a cancellation that you would probably prefer to be seen sooner if at all possible. And then finally, it will ask regarding your price range. If you don't know what this looks like, that's okay. Just go ahead and select whatever you feel will work best for you. Finally, you're going to click on Schedule Event. It will take you to a page where it confirms your date and time of your consultation. Additionally, you will receive an email that has the links, actual clickable links for how to measure your head for a wig or how to measure your head for a topper. Additionally, it will show what you had listed in your form. And that concludes our episode of It's Always Fun Shopping at Wig Studio One and how to book a consultation. Please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com if you have any questions at all. We're happy to help you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.